Hey guys, this is Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the P-Bandai Higher Universal Century Gundam TR-6 Hazel 2. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, I really want a version of Woundward for a long time, especially the fact that I missed the original Woundward release, and I was really frustrated because I couldn't get a version of Woundward. So I was like, you know, I really want to get it. And finally enough, they made another version of Woundward, which is basically a Woundward in Titan's colors, and you get an extra backpack. Extra, like, some new parts for this Woundward. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And as always, thank you to Gunpla Nerd, aka James, for this model kit. He's a pretty cool guy. He posts news, his builds, and his daily life in Instagram and Facebook. So if you guys want to check him out, go ahead. I'll put a link in the description. You guys can check out his Facebook page and Instagram. He's a pretty cool guy. So thank you so much, James. Yeah. So yes. The reason why I want to get this version of Woundward as to opposed to the normal one with the white color Woundward is mainly because, well, I have my advanced Hazel that I did unboxing few days ago, and I figured, yeah, maybe this kit will go along with the advanced Hazel. So I figured, yeah, these two will go together, and you know, I got some plans with these two kits. So we'll see how it goes. So yeah. And the box, yeah, it's a P-Bandai, so yeah, it's nothing special. But what's cool, interesting about this kit is because it's a completely original kit. This is a completely original kit, and it is marketed as a P-Bandai. So I don't know why Bandai didn't make it as a regular release, but it's okay. This, I believe, is the second time I've seen a kit that's totally original being a P-Bandai. The first one being the Pale Rider. Now we have the Woundward, which is, yeah, the Woundward and its variants, which are P-Bandai, which is, yeah, kind of interesting, but I'm happy I got this. Yeah, let's go to unboxing. So yeah, the box is pretty big for a P-Bandai. I was expecting the box to be a little bit smaller, but what am I expecting? The Hazel 2 has like two cannon swords on its backpack. That's pretty big, so that's why the box is big, so it makes sense. Yeah, it says on the side here, it says Gundam TR-6 Hazel 2. On the back, you've got the again, nothing much there, and again, it doesn't mention how much it costs, and I don't know how much it really costs in yen. So I paid $34 for this, including shipping. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, let's open the box. So it glimpsed a bit earlier, but let's see. But I did figure out what was inside. First up, we got the A1 A2 plate, which is the armor parts for the Woundward, and that's the head right here. That's the crotch. Yeah, I mean, this is a little weird for a mobile suit, really. The block when it transforms into its like little mobile armor mode, and yeah, that's the original backstory of the Woundward. Now that won't be used in this kit. Yeah, that's pretty interesting. And A1 plate is basically the sword gun, maybe. I don't know what's really called, but we'll see how it goes. And more armor parts. Next pack, we got this is a new runner, which is F1, which is you get the beam rifle here, which is 2 pieces. So yeah, fair enough. I think this is probably the new back skirt for the Hazel 2, the TR-6 basically. That's the shield. That's I'm not sure where that goes. On the back, you've got more parts of the Hazel 2. You've got like some new provided weapons basically. You've got the V-fin, which is really thin. I'm really worried about breaking these when I send it down. And yeah, the yellow parts and some other stuff. You've got the E2 plate again. That's yeah, it's new. It's new for the Hazel 2, as always. Yes, it's basically for the claw mode of the. I mean, in Japanese it's called crow mode, but it's supposed to be claw. The claw mode of the sword gun thing, and this is, I believe, the cockpit of the Hazel 2, and that's for the shield. Next up, you got the please, I can't see. Oh god. Oh, B1 plate, there we go. B1 plate. So side. You get a B1 plate, which is the again the parts for the claws, the parts, the shield, the rifle thing, the sword thing, whatever. And you get 2 wires, which is for the claws for the weapons. And the back, you've got the, I guess, the joints and like more parts here and there. Your hands, which are pretty cool. It's really nice. It's kind of unique for these kind of hands. Like they look very feminine. So yep. You've got the polycaps, which I believe you don't use all of these. I mean not all. I mean you don't use majority of the polycaps. You only very few parts use polycaps, which is kind of interesting. You got the D plate, which is the crotch and the eyes and the V fin. Sorry, not V fin. The crotch and the goatee and the chin and the goatee and the eyes. Yeah, and you get a stand, which is pretty, is neat. Next time we've got the these are 2 C2 plates. I believe those go on to the rifle, the weapon. I'm getting confused, sorry guys. In the last bag, we've got more armor parts. Again, you get. Oh wow, that's you get two A1 plates. You get another A1 B1 plate. Okay, that's interesting. And you got a sticker sheet, which is it's a little bit unfortunate for that goes on the weapons, but considering these are go on the Gundam, that's all right really. But most of these goes on the weapons. All right, let's go aside and go to the manual. That side of it. There we go. Alright, so yep, the manual it's a P-Bandai, so you do expect there's no box art, there's no like nice picture of it so here and there, but it's perfectly fine with me. I mean, it's a P-Bandai, so I'm pretty happy to get it anyways. Yeah, you got the parts count. You get 2 A1 plates. That's pretty interesting. Some of the parts are not used in the kit, which you can see, like, look at that, like majority of the more than half of the polycaps aren't used in this kit. That's really, I guess, I don't know if it's good or bad, but yeah. And yeah, basically the usual stuff. You build the kit as always, but this kit's construction is pretty interesting to be honest. So yeah, that's one unboxing. Yeah, right. That's one unboxing of the Premium Bandai High Grade Hazel 2. I am excited about this. I mean, I can't build it right now, but I will get this guy building probably. Not guy, girl. Yeah. So I'll get this girl building probably couple of weeks from now, I guess. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I will see whatever I'm going to build this kit, because this is a P-Bandai, so I'm not sure if I really want to build it or not, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah. So guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.